Good morning student. Today I will teach you EVS. In previous video we have seen about summer season. Today I will teach you about rainy season. In rainy season we see clouds in the sky and it's rain a lot. During rainy season it's rain everywhere. We wear gumboot, raincoat and carry umbrella. Small children play a lot rainy season. They drop paper boat in the rain water and enjoy the rains. Children get wet during in rainy season. Look here. Rain, rain, go away. Listen to the rhymes and repeat it. Talk about the picture. Rain, rain, go away. This poem you have already learned in nursery. You must be liking this poem. But today we will again learn this poem. So repeat after me. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play, rain, rain, go away. Repeat it. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play, rain, rain, go away. You like this poem? Look this picture. Johnny wants to go for playing, but it is raining heavily. So he is requesting rain to go away and to come back another day. So you say poem. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play, rain, rain, go away. Next, page number 53. Things we use in rainy season. Say the names of some things we like to eat or drink in rainy season. Climate is humid. That is why we drink hot tea and coffee and also eat hot pakoras and corn. Next. Say the names of these things we use in rainy season. Raincoat, gumboot and also carry from umbrella to protect from rain. Next, say the names of some things we see in rainy season. Water, puddles, frog, earthworm, snail, peacock. Water gets collected in some place, it is called puddle. And we also see various creative frog, earthworm and snail. And peacock is a bird which dance in rainy season. So we drink tea, coffee and eat pakoras and corn in rainy season. And we wear raincoat, gumboot and also umbrella. And we see many things in rainy season. Puddle, frog, earthworm, snail and peacock. Next, page number 54. Color the picture of a rainy day. This is the picture of rainy season. See this picture, the boy is carrying umbrella to protect from rain. So, what you have to do? You color the picture. This is the activity for you. Complete it. Next, page number 55. join the puddles to take the girls to the corn cellar. The girls want to eat the corn. So you join the puddles and take girls to the corn cellar. So you join the puddles to here, next here, and here, then here, and here. So student, how many season you are learned? 2 season. Which season? First, summer season and rainy season. Which season? Summer season and rainy season. In next video, we will teach you winter season. Student, we will revise the summer season poem. Say, dear Mr. Sun, it's too hot today. Why don't you just go away? My ice cream is melting. My water is warm. I have to go to work at the farm. Repeat it. Dear Mr. Sun, it's too hot today. Why don't you just go away? My ice cream is melting. My water is warm. I have to go to work at the farm. This boy wants to go to the farm for work, so it is too hot and his ice cream is melting and water is also becoming warm. So he requesting his son to go away. Understood? I will repeat this rainy season poem. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play, rain, rain, go away. Repeat it, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play, rain, rain, go away. So students, learn this poem about season. Okay? And also learn these things we use rainy and summer season. Thank you.